Get ready to level up your gaming experience with these 5 must-have devices available on the market. From powerful handhelds to immersive consoles, these gadgets are sure to impress. Welcome to Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. The Steam Deck by Valve is a handheld gaming console that's basically like a mini PC. If you have a vast library of Steam games, this device allows you to play your favorite PC games on the go with the power of a gaming laptop in the palm of your hands. It comes in at 688 grams, which is impressively light. It also features an AMD APU or ergonomic design and a vibrant 7-inch touchscreen display. It's a game changer for gamers who crave portability without sacrificing performance. Immerse yourself in high-performance gaming with the Ion Neo 2S AMD Ryzen. It continues the aesthetic element of its predecessor, the Ion Neo 2, but this one has seamlessly integrated a glass panel and a bezel-less full screen that captivates at first sight. Its sleek design and cutting-edge features with smooth gameplay and captivating visuals attract gaming enthusiasts. The Master Controller with a Hall-sensing big joystick and a Hall trigger provides a gaming experience comparable to professional gamepads. It also has a more comfortable grip and upgraded fingerprint unlocking anti-touch, enhancing the gamer's experience. Another pocket-sized gaming device packs a punch with its AMD Ryzen 7 processor, allowing you to play your favorite PC games anywhere, anytime. The GPD Win 4 2023 AMD Ryzen borrows a trick from the old-school Sony Vaio UX, wherein you can slide the display upward to reveal a keyboard for thumb typing. This new structure includes a micro SD card reader, a fan for active cooling, a fingerprint sensor for quick logins, and an optimal touch sensor that works like a mini touchpad. It also has a microphone for voice chat or voice controls. With its built-in controls, vibrant display, and a compact design, it's perfect for gaming anytime, anywhere. More handheld powerhouses coming up. This time it's the Lenovo Legion Go that features an AMD processor, a high-resolution display with up to 144Hz, and long-lasting battery life. The True Strike controllers are detachable and you can choose among multiple modes from handheld, battle station, to FPS modes. With its thermal technology, it guarantees smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. The cylindrical controllers also give you ample space to move and hold them without strain. You won't have to worry about longevity because this one has long battery life and fast charging abilities. Multitask effortlessly and boost productivity. You can keep all your favorite games, media, and files with an expandable storage and connect it to your monitor or smart TV for a wider screen option. Oh, and there's an upgraded version of the beloved Nintendo Switch featuring a vibrant, wider OLED display, enhanced audio, adjustable stand, 64 gigs of internal storage, and a sleek design. So whether you're playing in handheld mode or docked to your TV, the Nintendo Switch OLED delivers an unparalleled gaming experience for enthusiasts of all ages. This home console can also transform into a portable system in a snap. In TV mode, you can dock your system to a smart TV. In tabletop mode, just flip the stand out to share the screen. Then, play some games with friends. Lastly, the handheld mode. Just play with the attached Joy-Con controllers to enjoy the 7-inch OLED screen. Now that you're equipped with the latest gaming gear, it's time to dominate that virtual battlefield. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed episodes. See you and have fun gaming, neighbors!